Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a speed cleaning video. There's a few places in the house that I need to tackle today, so come along and see what I get done. So we had a crazy morning. We were kind of running late this morning. When you have kids and they have to get up super early to go to school, this time change has threw us for a loop because we are all struggling in this house, and the pollen season has officially started here in Georgia. Guys, my kids woke up sniffling, sneezing. My son David is allergic to pollen, so his eyes are the size of golf balls and they're bright red. So it was a struggle this morning, y'all. And I don't know why my daughter puts her 50 million stuffed animals on her bed, because they're all gonna just end up on the floor. Today I was on a mission to clean all the remotes and doorknobs and stuff. I saw my kids sneezing and stuff and coughing and had the remotes in their hand and stuff. And you guys, kids are full of germs. I only had to vacuum my daughter's room because the boys had vacuumed their room. Guys, the older they get, the more jobs you can give them and the easier it will get. I promise you that. The only thing I have to do in there is vacuum and also wipe down their remotes, because they love to sneeze and hold the remote at the same time. Why? I don't know. While I was dusting my boys' shelves, I actually looked down and I see that my son left his math homework.
You've been worried about
So I have this air purifier downstairs in my living room, or sometimes I would take it to my kitchen after I cook if it smells too strongly in there. And normally it helps with the smell, but it's too small for my living room, so I just brought it upstairs for my boys' room because my boys' room is actually the dustiest room of the house. I don't know why, but it is. So hopefully this will help with the dust. Happy without you. So now that this purifier is in their room, I will be getting a new purifier for the living room. Guys, I love having a purifier in each room of the house because it is so worth it. So right now I'm getting ready to wipe down my kids' bathroom. I had to stay on top of this bathroom because if I don't, it is not pretty in here, how gross it is. So I try to wipe it down either every day or every other day.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long as I know that I'm winning, I played this game, but I want you close, baby, right now. I know you feel the same. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go flying into ecstasy. Ooh, I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way.
Wipe down this banister all the time, but no matter what, it gets so dirty.
You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long has it been since I felt you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you felt me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since we felt like this about anything?
Now I am clearing out the breakfast dishes. So luckily it's not a lot of dishes. I do try to stay on top of the kitchen, especially at night. I do go to bed, at least try to. It doesn't always happen, but 90% of the time it does. I make sure I go to sleep with a clean kitchen.
I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your.
Now I will be wiping down the tables in the living room, and then I will be vacuuming in here. I love the way my living room looks. I just love it, guys. You know how you do something and you just really love it? Well, I really love it.
It was you and me forever. Now you walk away, maybe for the better. So tell me something true. Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had. Will you miss my love? Will you miss me and my love, my love, my love? When I see you again, I wanna show you how I loved you. You were my one true friend, and I cherish every moment.
I have to ask, who else has a house phone? I live out in the boonies, so sometimes we don't get reception. I can't call out. So we still have a house phone for emergencies. Plus, we also have a fax machine, and I needed a house phone for that as well. But comment down below, who else has a house phone?
All the good times that we had, I've been missing you, love. I've been missing you and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart, and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Oh. I'm still missing you, love. Yeah, I'm still missing you, love.
I apologize, guys, for the lighting in here. It's such a gloomy day. Of course, it was just getting ready to start raining again, so the lighting kept coming in and out. But of course, I had to make sure to make my bed on this day. I don't go a day without making my bed.
Oh, baby, I'm still missing you. Still missing you, missing you.
From now on, at least in the spring and summer, I have to double up on my dusting. You guys, it is so dusty, and I just dusted here 2 days ago, and it was covered with dust all over again. It's just the season that we're in now.
I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind. On your mind. I've got 70,000 friends, so I guess they'll be alright. Be alright. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation.
be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this speed cleaning video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
Someone's missing me. I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. A waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am